everyone, Chef Reindeer Yoda the dog here, and this is the week of Christmas Monday meal. So my mom is making breakfast for dinner. She got some blueberry maple sausage from the Mountain Man Meat Market in Ho Chi Town, Oklahoma when we were at Beaver's Bend for Thanksgiving. And so we're having that with this recipe that she's going to link below. It's from a website called afewshortcuts.com. And it is called Easy Pancake Bites. And as you will see, my mom thinks that it's a recipe true to its name. And you can make your own pancake batter, and then you add in whatever kind of mix-ins you want to add in, and then you cook it in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. And my mom made 2 batches instead of 1. But you'll see in the video. So this all smells delicious, especially the meat. So I'm hoping that they're in the Christmas spirit and they're going to drop me something. But anyway, just wanted to let you know, Merry Christmas. We'll see you again next Monday for a New Year's meal. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button below, or also give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Chef, you're the dog, Reindeer.
Okay, everybody. Today's recipe for the week of Christmas is, as Yoda said, pancake bites. And we made them gluten-free out of gluten-free Bisquick here. And we got it off of afewshortcuts.com, so I'll link the recipe in the description box below. But basically, you make your pancake batter, and I doubled this recipe to make 2 pans of this. And I used egg replacer because I'm allergic to eggs. I used coconut milk because I'm allergic to dairy, canola oil, and then you mix in whatever you want. So I added in some cinnamon and some sprinkles and some dried cranberries and some little gingerbread men sprinkles. So then you use mini muffin pans, 1 pan per amount of pancake batter that you mixed up. So I did 2 full recipes of pancake batter. So this is the mini muffin pans. You fill them 3/4 of the way full after spraying your pans, which I did. And these are going to be pancake bites. We're doing breakfast for dinner. I'm also going to make this blueberry maple sausage to go with it that I got from Mountain Man Meat Market in Ho Chi Town, Oklahoma. So that's going with our breakfast for dinner, our pancake bites. And then you got to put your oven on 350 for 10 minutes. So I'll show you what they look like. This recipe is true to its name, Easy Pancake Bites. They're done. 10 minutes, 350. I just tried one. Tastes like a pancake with the little mix-ins I put in there. We're gonna eat ours with some syrup and forks. And then our blueberry maple sausage, which smells and tastes delicious, from Mountain Man Meat Market in Ho Chi Town, Oklahoma. So that is the Monday meal for the week of Christmas. Merry Christmas. Enjoy.